How to create QuillBot account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for QuillBot.com. You will be led to the login portal of QuillBot. Tap on the Don't Have an Account option you see there, and now go ahead and choose your signing up process. You can sign up using your Google account, Facebook account, or Apple account. In today's video, we will sign up using email. So go ahead and enter your name, password, and email, and further tap on the Continue button. You will further be required to answer a few questions, so go ahead and answer those, and with this, your account will be all set. So this is how you can create QuillBot account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.